So today I'm making glass art glue.
Glass stone art.
Okay, so we'll open it.
Yeah, let's see the box. Oh, what is it?
I can see a cat. He said shoot his cat because it's hiding rats.
Really?
Yeah. And cats can
Okay,
chase.
got a book. Let's see what's in the book. Yeah, maybe, yeah. You can get your own pictures and make them.
Do it like this.
Yeah. So the book shows you how to make it, doesn't it?
Yeah. And I was putting glue on.
Oh, more glue. Glue everywhere.
Yeah. This is not glue. This is paint glue.
Paint glue. Okay. Right, so what you need to do. Yeah. Got big one and small ones. Yeah.
Today, I was learning
So
how
you
we
got-
lie.
Yeah, and then you got the stencils.
That's how we lie.
They're both the same.
Yeah. And they
So
So,
you got the stencils. You've got your papers.
yeah.
Right, so pick out your paper which you want to do first.
Oh.
No.
Yeah.
That's something else. In your paper.
Yeah.
So you got papers there, Savannah? Okay, out of the paper,
Yeah.
pick which one you want to do.
Okay.
What other ones have you got? Show me. Oh, okay, you got peacock.
This is the mermaid tail.
Yeah, you've got lots of mermaid stuff, haven't you?
Yeah, I love mermaids.
Yeah, I know you do.
Yeah, this is how you do it.
Okay, that's enough. Now you spread it, use your finger and spread it. That's enough. Use your finger and spread the glue.
Glue like this, like paint.
Okay, you can do it like that then. Okay, now stick it onto the paper and where you want to do it.
Like this one.
Okay, now you're just going to let it dry for 2 minutes now, yeah?
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Now on the cut here, and cut the glue.
So you're going to cut around the paper. So why don't you cut the paper in the square first? Yeah. Good job. Okay.
Now to cut the glue.
Then you're going to cut around the circle, don't you? Okay.
We can rip it too.
Yeah. You want to do it nicely because you want to take it to school and show your teacher, don't you?
Yeah. But it's so what I say there.
It wasn't ready, was it? It wasn't ready, was it? Should we try another picture? Okay, put a little bit of glue on, not too much. That's it. That's enough. Now, use your finger and rub it in. Okay.
Hey, boys, I'm gonna do this one again, and I hope it will rip.
Yeah.
Round, 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 and round.
Yeah.
Finally touch.
Okay. Show me. Well, okay. So it's going to dry, isn't it? Okay. Hold the glass. Well done. Hold the stone. Yeah.
Is it glass?
It's a glass stone.
Why?
Just how it's designed. Careful.
It take this off.
Okay. So yeah, tiny little bit of glue. Tiny bit. That's it. Right, now put the other one on top. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's it.
What?
Okay. Yeah, just put it back on top. So we're just gonna let that dry. Okay? And then we'll show your teacher tomorrow. Show me. There's a peacock on the other side. The fish.
It can spin!
Yeah. So when it dries, you can play it and take it to school tomorrow.
It's a spinner. Bye Bye, because see you next time.